Whew, I'm hungry for some chips. There's nothing in the fridge! What am I supposed to eat? Freddy, what are you doing? Freddy, no! Don't do that. Oh, anyway. Yo, what's up, those specimens? I know, right? Are you ready for some specimens? Well, yeah, I hope you're better ready for some specimens, because you're gonna be getting. We'll be right back. Hope you're ready for some specimens. You bet. Alright? And there's gonna be one specimen a day. Alright? Let's get started on that one specimen. Gotta go fast! I hope you enjoyed the specimens! Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time in the next video for some more specimens. Well, it looks like I'm gonna starve. But wait, we have some popcorn. Oh, why is it taking so long? All I want is some popcorn. All I want is some popcorn. All I want is that deliciousness of the popcorn. That's all I want. Almost. A good deliciousness. It will come into my mouth. Almost coming. I can't wait. Ah! Taking so long. The bag might explode. You always need adult supervision when making popcorn. Hurry up! I don't want this thing to explode! 17, 16, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Time for some Night Slushies popcorn. I think I might just wait. Enjoy the video. Peace out. Bye. Freddy, what are you doing? Freddy, no! Freddy, no!